Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram Business. This powerful platform offers a suite of advanced tools designed specifically for professionals and businesses. It helps you streamline customer communication, manage inquiries more efficiently, and establish a strong, professional online identity. You can enhance your customer service and operational efficiency, making every interaction count and fostering stronger client relationships. Telegram Business allows you to create a comprehensive profile, including your business hours and location, giving customers essential information at a glance. You can also set up quick replies for frequently asked questions, significantly reducing response times. Furthermore, organizing your chats with color-coded tags helps you manage conversations efficiently, ensuring no customer query is overlooked. These features are designed to boost your productivity. Automation is a cornerstone of efficient customer service. With Telegram Business, you can set up automated welcome messages to greet new contacts instantly, making a great first impression. Configure away messages to inform customers when you are unavailable, managing expectations effectively. Additionally, integrating chatbots can handle routine inquiries, freeing up your time for more complex tasks and ensuring 24/7 support. To maximize your business reach, integrate your unique Telegram Business link directly onto your website and share it across all your social media platforms. This makes it incredibly easy for potential customers to connect with you. Furthermore, utilize the built-in chat statistics to gain valuable insights into customer engagement and interaction patterns, allowing you to refine your strategies for even greater impact and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.